In primetime news this evening, travelers promised improvements at the Norman Manley International Airport in the coming weeks. Lawyer insists Corporal Rohan James did nothing wrong amid interdiction by police high command. And Petrojam says multi-billion-dollar loan won't adversely affect motorists.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, will central banks have to increase interest rates? We hear what the IMF has to say on the matter later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Archie. It's not only the reggae girls who are at a World Cup. Our netballers, the Sunshine Girls, will begin their World Cup campaign on Friday. However, there is a security concern for them. We'll tell you about all that a bit later on.
I've been watching that everybody's talking about them.
Yeah. I'm very confident that
they'll actually win.
Yeah, it's quite possible. All right, talk about winning. I love the weather today, guys. Romaine is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romaine?
Thanks, Janelle. Yes, we have been having quite a bit of activity, quite a bit of shower activity across the island over the past 24 hours. We did have some rain last night. We had some rain earlier this morning, continuing in the afternoon, and we are expecting a little bit more tomorrow, but drier conditions are forecast for the weekend.
Thank you, Romaine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what are your views on the interdiction of the Police Federation chairman for his stinging remarks against the police high command?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.